Hello and welcome back to Saltwater Jacks Fishing. I'm Jack and I appreciate you clicking on the video. Today we've got two products here that I feel like if you had a YouTube channel or you were thinking about starting a YouTube channel or even if you didn't have a YouTube channel, these are two great products that you can go out and record yourself maybe fishing, playing tennis, any kind of action sport that you may be thinking of, or vlogging as well. So anyways, in this particular box right here, we've got the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, all right? And in this particular kit, you're just going to have the basic battery and the camera. This is that kit. It's not the combo kit. So in this one, we got the DJI mini mic. And in this particular kit, you're going to have the two microphones as well as the receiver and charging case. So anyways, let's go ahead and get to unboxing and show you what you get if you were to order either of these products. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro unboxed. So let's go ahead and slice into that. You only get one shot at unboxing, folks. Alright. Okay, so let's see what comes inside. Okay, wow. That's it, baby. That's the size of it. Alright, let's set that over there to the side. Okay. So we got the Osmo Action 5 Pro. There's that right there. Basic stuff on the back. Nothing else that's special. Okay, so let's go ahead and slice this open. So I currently I have the Osmo Action 1 as well as the 3. So I'm kind of excited about upgrading to the 5 and the possibilities. Later in this video, we're going to put it to the test and show you, the different things the reason I upgraded from the 3 to the 5. So let's get the accessories first. All right. So again, here's the basic box. Not much there. Okay, we'll open it up here. Nice packaging. Okay. Got the plug, pretty simple. Alright. Basic book here. Looks like maybe let's see if you get a sticker. They're not going to let me cut that out. Let's see here. There we go. Look at there. Looks like a little sticker right there, guys, and basic booklet. So anyways, that's in the box right there. Okay, let's go and get this open. Okay, good packaging, I'll give them that. Okay, so this case seems somewhat substantial. I'll say that. As I pull stuff out, it gets lighter and lighter, so it's the basic case that will go around it. It's going to allow you to be able to turn it. So if you do TikToks or any kind of vertical videos, you'll be able to turn the camera. So there's the basic cage for that. All right, let's see what else we get here. Okay, so get some stickers. Well, some little mounts. That's if you want to mount it to something permanently, and then of course you can then put this on there and the camera will mount to this, and I'll show you that in just a second. Here's the 1950 milliamp battery. That's one of the bonuses of this particular camera. It's much longer battery life thanks to this particular battery. Let's see where I can find it. Wow, it's hard to read it. Trying to read it for you, but you'll just have to take my word. It's somewhere in that fine print. Oh, there it is, right there in the bottom. So right there, 1950 milliamp battery. So hopefully that'll give us a lot more record time. And then of course you get your basic thing right here, so you can. Oh, hello. That came off. This is one of the things that makes DJI, back when they did the Osmo Action 2, they came out with this particular magnetic mounting system, and man, when it's in there, it won't go anywhere. So I'll show you that in just a second. So anyways, let's see, get the silicone. Okay, this is the DJI store. You'll definitely, in forms and whatnot, you definitely need to connect, obviously, with the Mimo app. You'll have to. You have no choice. I've seen online where some people are a little weirded out by that, but to me, that's just the way it is. So you can get updates, and that's one of the things that DJI, the company, is really good about, is updating their products. I've got, like I said, I've got the 3 that's obviously a couple years old, and they're still sending out updates periodically to make it work a little bit better. And then when a camera comes out, the 3 had problems. I think the 4 had problems, and as well as the 5. The 5 had problems as well. And so they'll do a firmware update, and they'll fix those problems, or they'll improve your camera, which is really nice that a company will do that. So anyways, you can see it's a pretty basic camera. This is the thing I was talking about, where this right here will click in like that right there. You can see, and man, that's in there. That's not going anywhere. So anyways, so that's the basic unboxing of the Action 5. It has an OLED display screens on both sides, which is pretty cool. I'm super stoked about this camera. There's so many things that we're going to share in this video about what it can do above and beyond my Action 3. And it's just, I feel like this DJI has done a really good job, and in many ways have taken over the Action camera, the segment. So anyways, let's get to the DJI mini mic, and we'll show you what comes with that. Okay guys, let's go ahead and move on to opening up the DJI mini mic. All right, let's see here. Got both these off of Amazon, so I felt pretty comfortable ordering from Amazon. If you don't like the product, they're pretty good about being able to take it back to Kohl's or somewhere like that. So anyways, here's the DJI mic mini, or mini mic. All right, there. Nice packaging, pretty simple. That's it. Nice little thing in the bottom of the box saying thank you for ordering. Let's get this open. There, like that. It's just right there. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. For the one area. Alright, so there's that. Best way to get into this. Where is it? Oh, let's go here. Alright, so let's see what we get in the mic mini. Now this just came out not too long ago. Oh, they got another, looks like some stickers, basic booklet. I know that's super exciting to everyone. Again, this is going to have a smaller footprint. I've got a kit right now that works great by 7 Rhymes, and when I was getting into doing these videos, I'm kind of a tech guy. I kind of like getting tech stuff. I wasn't sure if I was going to continue to do it with the mic, or if the mic was even any good, or if that was something that was necessary. So I kind of went on the cheap. But tried to get, in this situation, I tried to upgrade my equipment, and DJI does a great job. You get a nice carrying pouch here, and you can't tell, but it's cushy, right? So that's nice that they include that. So you got a little pouch there, okay? Of course, they got the typical, they call them dead cats. That's just what they call them. You get actually 2 of the gray, 2 of the black, right there. So I guess it's depending on what you're wearing, what'll go better with your outfit. I guess that's part of it. But you get 2 of those, right? Just like that. Boom, boom, boom. All right, almost to the main event. And that's the basic charging cord, as well as when you're hooking the receiver up to a camera that does not have Bluetooth, like the Osmo Action 5. And again, we'll go over all that in the video, or we've already gone over it, or we will have gone over it. All right, when you're looking at this portion of the video. Wow, look how compact that is. That is tiny, man. That is awesome. Super excited about that. All right, press right here to unlock. Okay, gotta Move this little tape right here. That to the side. We're going to unlock that. Wow, look at that. That's tiny. Yeah, lighten up. You see that? So here's the receiver. Look how tiny that is. And again, we'll go over some of the specs, but this is the receiver that you would plug in if you needed to, like the camera I'm using right now. This is a Nikon camera, and so I would use this particular plug right here, plug into the camera, and then I could use the mics for this particular camera. Let's see the mini mic. Ah, cool. Again, tiny. That is a tiny camera. I mean, tiny mic. So you can tell it's, again, super tiny, but see right here, you actually can use that to clip it onto your shirt. You can clip it onto your hat. And then you've got a super duper, wow, that is super duper high power magnet that you could put that underneath and actually attach it to your clothing. Let's see if I can do that real quick. So I'm gonna put that right there on my wrist. Let's just click it. Yeah, look at that. See? So if I wanted to, I could put it on my wrist, and that's not going anywhere. But anyways, that's really cool. So, and of course, you get the other one. Boom, same thing, right? And then this particular hookup right here, USB-C, you can put this actually in the phone, the bottom of the phone there. Like if, for instance, I've got a Android phone, so I can put it in the bottom of the phone, and then this particular piece right here will plug in right there. You take that off, and so see, it'll attach, and now you can put this and use it with your phone, maybe a tablet. So they've really thought of everything. I mean, it's just DJI does such a good job, right? Such a good job. If I could figure out how to, there we go. So anyways, it would go like that, and then you could plug it into your phone. Like I said, I'm not planning on doing that. So anyway, so that's the unboxing.